Got a package! Ah! Hello, hello! I just got back from work and then I picked this up. This one is an exciting package that came from Japan. Thank you, J-Ports. Thank you for the international auction group. And thank you, Laurie, for letting me know about this one. So I went there. I saw this. This is a Dior one, by the way. There's a Dior bag in here. So if you're interested in that particular, in this particular video, go stay tuned on this one, and then we will unbox this together. I haven't seen it. I only have seen it during the auction. It's about $910, but it is my Christmas gift to myself, because Seb is getting mad that I got another bag anyways. But this one is a good deal, so that's why hence I put an effort on this one. This is a Dior bag. It's old, but I think it's cool. So no further ado, excitement is killing you. Let's do this. So supposedly I supposed to get this one already on Monday, but what had happened was, because it's through FedEx, but what happened was I was not able to be here at home because I was at work, and then they need a signature or something like that. So I rerouted it. And then just get this one to Walgreens, where there's a FedEx location inside Walgreens. So yeah, I don't want to damage it because I know what's inside anyways. So we'll take a look together. Some of my friends on Instagram, you already know who you are anyways, that they already know what is this because they're watching too on that particular international auction. So this is a real unboxing, a genuine unboxing I should say, that I haven't seen this one. Like I said a while ago, I only have saw this one on the auction. So they fully pack it. There's one. Oh, there's two things in here. This is the first one. Oh, they have a lovely letter. Wishing you a happy holiday. Oh, that's so cool. So I forgot there's two things on here, but Seb doesn't know, so shh. We're gonna have a visitor, and she's there. There's two things on here. Let's unbox this one first. You wanna say hi to them, baby? Hi. Here's Sophia. She's our mainstay character in this YouTube realm that we're having. You're gonna see her often, and then yeah. So she's gonna be around. She's our daughter. Hi. You want to play with this one? Here, go there. So this one is the one. And then this one is Christian Dior. So this is kind of like, we can call it a Christian Dior haul. And though this is our first bag too. My first Christian Dior bag. I hope it will not disappoint. But anyways. Ta-da! Oh, that's so cool! Oh wow, I love it. This one is the Cufflinks, Dior Cufflinks right there. And then you put it on here. Oh, it's so nice. I love it. I'll show it to you. So this is what we got. And then this is Dior with the box, and then here's the cufflink, and then there's a Dior on the bottom of it, like there, And then of course this is J-Ports. We love J-Ports. I love J-Ports anyways. This is a Christian Dior accessory cuffs, gold plated metal. So yeah, it's really nice. I think I bought this one for what? I bought this one for $60. Who's not gonna love that, huh? Let me take this off. How do you take this off? But anyways, here I have the scissors. Ta-da! Oh, I'm so excited. Thank you, thank you. Okay, that's one. Excitement is over. Okay, do you want to see the second one? It's huge. Oh my gosh. Any guesses on this one? This is the shape. It's kind of like a heart beating one. Oh my gosh, it's huge. Hold on, let me clear all this stuff so that you see what I'm dealing with. Oh my gosh. Are you coming again? Oh wow. Oh my gosh. I got the Dior leather bag in white, and it's a saddle bag. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh wow. Look. Oh, it's heavy too. Oh my gosh. This is $910. I won this one from the auction, and it's a magnetic one. And oh my gosh, you need to see this. Oh wow. So it's a long strap one, like I said. Hold on. It's a long strap one, and then here what it looks like. So it's a saddle bag, like the one with the caballo, like this. Yeah. Anyways, there you go. There's a CD on this one. Let me see the CD. Yeah, it's a little tarnished a little bit, but other than that, it's cute. So there's the bag, the flap on the side. A little stain here and there, but it's gonna be obvious because it's white anyways. But I love, love, love it. And then there's a small packet in here. Is this a packet? Oh yeah, so cool. And then there's a packet there. So there's the oblique CD, whatever you call that. Of course, it smells leather. There you go. Oh my gosh. It's so cool. And then there's a D on here too, on the bottom. And then the one on the side is fine. I love it. And then it has the strap. And then on the strap, there's a CD there. Oh, wow. Oh, I love this. I hope he will love this one too. Look. Ah. That's so cool. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Half of the price, right? So, yeah. And then inside, it is the inside. It's Alcantara red leather, and then there's the inside. There's just one pocket here. Anyways, so yeah, there. It's clean. Oh my gosh. Oh wow. So this particular I'll put it like that. It's huge. So it's not your typical small one, because nowadays the one that you saw is kind of like half of this one, but this one is big. But I love it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Because there's no major stain or anything, like a little one here, but other than that, it's all creasing, of course, because it is the bag. But I don't see it. Do you see any? Hold on. This one is so cool. Carlo&Seb Di Magiva. Oh wow, so this is the bag. And then I'm going to show it to you on here how it looks like anyways. So there you go. So yeah, that's how it looks like right there. Can you see me in the picture? So yeah, there you go. So this is how it looks like, and it's so cool. So what do you think of this one? I saved 1,500 for this particular matter. This one is 910, but you can get this one for 1,900 or 2,500. So I'm lucky to have that, and it's a really good leather that they have. So yeah, let me take a picture. Hold on, huh? Like this. What do you think? Did I save money? Do you like this style, or how do you want this one? Do you like it and stuff? I just saw one little thing here, probably because it's being like bent or something, but other than that, that's the only negative thing that I saw. Anyways, I hope you like this video. I hope you're excited as I was, and it was a really nice one. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this kind of like videos, where to find luxury items for less, well, you know where to go. It is us. It's Carlo and Seb, and then we will find it together. And yeah, so we'll see you again. I love you all. Until next time, I do have a video regarding about the Christmas gift that he has for me, and then I'll show you our shoe collection on that video, so stay tuned on that one. And then yeah, so link in the bio for where to find all these goodies. And yeah, so they do have Hermes, Louis Vuitton, Dior, Chanel, even Fendi they do have in there. So yeah, so I think they do this one once a month. So yeah, anyway, thank you very much. I should shut up already and enjoy my bag. I will see you again, and until next time, bye.